कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ, जिसमें कि हम लोग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ का MCQ देखेंगे. So let us start. Our first question is Indian Constitution originally consisted of option A 390 articles, 7 schedule, option B 394 articles, 8 schedule, option C 395 articles, 8 schedule, option D 395 articles, 12 schedule. So the correct option will be option C 395 articles and 8 schedule. Next question. Indian Constitution not consist of option A 395 articles 8 schedule, option B 395 articles 12 schedule, option C more than 470 articles 10 schedule, option D more than 425 articles 12 schedule. So the correct option will be option B 395 articles 12 schedule. Next question. Who stated that Indian Constitution established quasi-federal system of government? Option A, Sir Leo Jennings. Option B, Professor K.C. Vere. Option C, Granville Austin. Option D, Salmond. So the correct option will be option B, Professor K.C. Vere. Next question. The procedures for amendment of the Indian Constitution was borrowed from the option A USA Constitution, option B USSR Constitution, option C German Constitution, option D South African Constitution. So the correct option will be option D South African Constitution. Next question. The provision for promulgations of emergency in Indian constitutions was borrowed from option A Germany, option B USSR, option C Ireland, and option D USA. So the correct option will be option A, Germany. Next question. Article 33 empowers Parliament to option A enforce fundamental right, option B impose martial law, option C declare emergency, option D modify fundamental rights in relation to armed forces. So the correct option will be option D modify fundamental rights in relation to armed forces. Next question. The power of prorogues the Lok Sabha rest with option A the Prime Minister, option B the President, option C the Speaker, option D the Vice President. So the correct option will be option B the President. Next question. The preamble to the Constitution has been amended only once by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Which are one word inserted by it? Option A sovereign, secular, socialist, republic. Option B socialist, secular, and unity and integrity of the nations. Option C socialist, justice and fraternity of the Indians. Option D equality of status and opportunity, unity and integrity. So the correct option will be option B socialist, secular, and unity and integrity of the nations. Next question. The judge of the Supreme Court has to take an oath before entering upon their office, which is conducted to them by option A the President, option B the Chief Justice of India, option C the Vice President, and D the Attorney General of India. So the correct option will be option A the President. Next question. In which case the court held Article 14, 1921 are not mutually exclusive and they jointly aim at reasonableness and fairness. Option A Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, option B Ram Swarup versus Delhi Administration, option C Golaknath versus State of Punjab, option D Jagannath versus Union of India. So the correct option will be option A Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. Next question. 12th schedule was added to the Constitution by 44th Amendment. Option D 65th Amendment, option C 73rd Amendment, option B D 74th Amendment. So the correct option will be option D 74th Amendment. Next question. The residuary powers of the center provided in Article 248 has been taken from option A USA, option B Ireland, option C Canada, option D Great Britain. So the correct option will be option C Canada. Next question. Which one of the following is not covered by the definition of state given in Article 12? Option A, State Electricity Board. Option B, Cooperative Society. Option C, College of Delhi University. Option D, Regional Engineering College. So the correct option will be option B, Cooperative Society. Next question. The justice assured by the preambles of Indian Constitution to all the citizens is option A, social and moral. Option B, social and economic. Option C, social, economic and political. Option D, social, economic, moral and political. So the correct option will be option C, social, economic and political. Next question. In which case it was held that the preamble is a part of a constitution and it can be amended under Article 368, but its basis structures or frameworks cannot be amended. Option A, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Option B, Sanskari Prasad versus Union of India. Option C, Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Option D, Minerva Mill versus Union of India. So the correct option will be option C, Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. The concept of fraternity used in the preambles has been taken from option A, UK, option B, USA, option C, France, option D, USSR. So the correct option will be option C, France. Next question. In their very exchange of enclave, the Supreme Court held that the option A, preamble is not a part of Constitution. Option B, preamble is a part of Constitution. Option C, rule of law is not a part of Constitution. Option D, rule of law is a part of Constitution. So the correct option will be option A, preamble is not a part of Constitution. Next question. The pension of the judge of the High Court is charged to the Consolidated Fund of State where he last serves, the Contingency Fund of India, the Consolidated Fund of India, and none of the above fund. The correct option will be option C, the Consolidated Fund of India. The doctrine of eclipses and doctrine of observability are embodied in option A, Article 11, option B, Article 12, option C, Article 13, option D, Article 27. So the correct option will be Article 30, option C. Next question. The doctrine of eclipse was formulated by the Supreme Court in Bikaji Narayan versus State of MP, Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, State of Gujarat versus Ramlal Keshavlal Soni, Deepak Sibbal versus Punjab University. So the correct option will be option A, Bikaji Narayan versus State of MP. Which of the following articles provide for judicial review of all the legislation in India, past as well as future? Article 13, Article 32, Article 226, all of the above. So the correct option will be option D, all of the above. The Indian Constitution provides option A, 6 fundamental rights, 8 fundamental duties, 6 fundamental rights, 6 fundamental duties, 7 fundamental rights and 10 fundamental duties, 6 fundamental rights and 11 fundamental duties. So the correct option will be D, 6 fundamental rights and 11 fundamental duties. How many types of writs can the Supreme Court and High Court issues for the enforcement of fundamental right? Option A, 6, option B, 4, option C, 5, option D, 3. So the correct option will be option C, 5. Next question. Who can issue a writ for the enforcement of legal rights? Option A, High Court, option B, Supreme Court, option B, both court, option D, none. So the correct option will be option A, High Court. Next question. In which case Supreme Court held that the execution of death sentence by public hanging is barbaric and violating of Article 21. Option A, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. Option B, Dino versus Union of India. Option C, D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Option D, none of these. So the correct option will be option C, D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Next question. The President of India holds office for terms of 5 years from the date on which option A, he is elected. Option B, he take oath of his office. Option C, he is declared elected. Option D, he entered upon his office as the president. So the correct option will be option D, he entered upon his office as the president. Mm. Next question. The governor of a state hold his office. Option A for a period of 6 years, option B for the period of 5 years, option C for the period of 5 years or till the pleasure of the president, whichever is earlier. or D, till the pleasure of the President, the tenure is not fixed. The correct option will be option C, for the period of 5 years or till the pleasures of the President, whichever is earlier.